Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredibly powerful way to boost your immunity with homemade anti-inflammatory shots. These shots are packed with potent ingredients that will help strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling your best. So let's jump right into the recipe. For this powerful immunity booster, you will need the following ingredients: 1 inch of fresh ginger root, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of water. To begin, peel and chop the ginger root into small pieces. Then cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. In a blender, add the ginger, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, turmeric powder, cayenne pepper, honey, and water. Blend everything together until you have a smooth mixture. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add more water. Once blended, pour the mixture into shot glasses or small containers, and it's ready to go. These anti-inflammatory shots are best enjoyed fresh, so make sure to consume them right after preparing. Now let's talk about the incredible benefits of these anti-inflammatory shots. The ginger and turmeric in this recipe are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the body and support a healthier immune system. Apple cider vinegar is rich in antioxidants and can improve digestion, while lemon provides a boost of vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting benefits. The cayenne pepper adds a kick and can help boost your metabolism. Lastly, honey not only adds a touch of sweetness, but also has antimicrobial properties that can support your overall well-being. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your immune system strong, give these homemade anti-inflammatory shots a try. Your body will thank you. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.